Hey guys, welcome to the Northeast Arts District Loft. I'm Nick, I'm the owner, and I'm here to give you a little tutorial on how this building operates, and we'll start with the parking. So first off, we have two signs here that designate two spots reserved for Airbnb guests. They are basically right in front of the garage door. There is a resident parking spot here, which is marked by this line on the ground, which is off limits for parking, and then there's also this gravel area which is off limits for your parking as well. Any additional guests will need to park on the side streets down or to the left or right of the building. Here you'll also find a ring camera, 24-hour surveillance on the vehicles for your safety. Let's make our way around to the entrance next. Here you'll find another Ring doorbell for your safety as well. So you check on the guests as they come in and out. You will receive a individual code for your stay, and all you'll do is enter the code, and the door should unlock. So let me welcome you to the building, and inside we'll start with a game room. So inside here, you'll have the ability to open or close the door with this button right here. If you want to enjoy a cool breeze, there's a bug net on the door to stop any bugs from coming in. And then we've got some games, a dartboard, ping pong table. We've got a classic arcade console here, which you turn on in the back of the machine right here, and then there's a remote for the TV right here. This room also features two pull-out beds that can be made at your request for additional sleeping. And next up, you're going to find a sauna. So the sauna is for 4 guests maximum. We've got seating for 4 in here, so that's about the max we can fit. So come inside, and there are 2 settings on the sauna. This is pretty straightforward. There is a thermostat which turns the device on and controls your temperature. So this is on the max high temperature, and shut that off. We spin it back to the top. And then over here we have a timer. So this can set your intervals of how long you want the sauna to stay on. And be very cautious around this thing. It does get extremely hot and can burn your hands. And we do not allow water splashing on this device, as there is electrical right next to it. We do not want any safety issues. So that's the rundown for the sauna. Hope you enjoy it. Next, we're going to move upstairs into the living area. So we're going to come back through this door, and we're going to head upstairs. So right away, you're going to walk into the kitchen. Pretty standard kitchen. You're going to have a full-size refrigerator. There is some filtered water for you to enjoy, and you're going to find all your standard kitchen amenities here. Here's your cups and plates. Over here, some additional glasses. Down here are your pots and pans. There's some cleaning supplies and some garbage bags down here as well. And then you're going to find a standard dishwasher here if you have a load that you need to clean during your stay. Full-size gas range. There's some complimentary coffee, tea, salt and pepper, and you've got your Keurig right there. And here's the living room, television, and we've got additional sleeping on this couch. You're going to want to move this table, and this bed pulls out just like this and turns into a hide-a-bed, which can be made at your request. There's blankets and pillows down below here as well. And then there's some additional blankets inside of here as well. So that's pretty straightforward. You're gonna come into the bedroom. You're gonna find a nice large king size bed. There's some mood lighting on this bed, which is controlled by this remote. You can shut it off or on, or change its color with this remote. Another TV for your convenience. There's a sound machine for relaxing at night. We've got an operational window in case you want a natural breeze at night. And we're gonna come into here is your bathroom. We've got a door, a pocket door here. Here's your ottoman with fresh towels and a ironing board, and then a few more amenities for your use as well. And finally, you're gonna come into the bathroom. We've got a large walk-in shower. Your shampoos and conditioners are right here for your convenience on the wall. And there's some makeup towels and stuff for your convenience. The final thing I think I should probably show you is the thermostat, which is right here on this wall. The temperature is off now, but when you come in, if it's hot, you're gonna probably wanna switch it to cool and then turn it down to your desired temperature, and you'll have the AC on shortly. And if you're in a colder season, you switch it to the heat mode. So, pretty straightforward.